margins this year is a combination of two things. One is procurement. So they were out in front of this like much before anybody else. I mean, he was in Korea, eating chicken and drinking beer with, the chairman of Hynix, like not that long ago. There was a reason for that. So they've secured, memory earlier before others. So I'm not really worried about them getting that supply. That's good. But on the pricing front, you're absolutely right. They need to take prices up because their costs are going up. So it's imperative on them to make sure that they're improving performance much more than they're taking up price. That's actually their ceiling in my mind. It's not anything else, competition or anything. It's the amount that they can improve performance. He already gave some data points on Rubin at CES, and it was something like I don't know, 10x or whatever it is. And I mean, as long as they can keep performance improving on that kind of a trajectory, I'm not really worried about their ability to price to it, because it's still a very NPV positive thing for their customers. Pricing is doubling and performance is going up 10x. Most customers will take that all day long.
I mean, it's interesting, Malcolm. Yes, the stock has started to run again into the number, which does something to expectations, I would suppose. But according to Vanda Research today, retail conviction is soft into this number tonight. We know that shares have seen somewhat of a muted reaction on the backside of most recent earnings reports, the last three. The stock's gained or fallen less than 3.5%. What moves the needle for you?
Yeah, I think that Stacey's point about productivity getting stronger could create sort of a good news is bad news kind of scenario where maybe the market sees that as an opportunity. I personally trimmed last week, might trim again depending on how shares go after the close, because my concern now is the market might start reading this as, if we can get more productivity out of our chips, if Rubin does actually increase output by a factor of 10 or something